Welcome back to Oven Cake and Cookies. Today we are making a crispy, spicy and super satisfying snack. Bread onion toast, perfect for tea time, breakfast or even as a quick evening bite. Let's start at the recipe. Start with a few bread slices and cut them into neat triangle shapes. Now in a bowl take 1 cup of thinly sliced onion. Add 2 chopped green chilies, half teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon coriander powder. Then give it a quick mix. Onions are rich in antioxidant and support immunity. Next add half cup gram flour, 3 tablespoons of rice flour for crispiness, 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste, half teaspoon ajwain and crush everything with your hands. Now sprinkle in half teaspoon chaat masala and some fresh coriander leaves. Pour in 1/3 cup of water and mix it all well into a thick spreadable mixture. Gram flour is also known as besan and is a staple in many South Asian snacks. Ajwain not only adds flavor but also helps digestion. Take each triangle bread slice and spread the onion batter evenly on top. Gram flour is packed with protein and fiber. Ajwain boosts digestion and reduces bloating. This dish is often called bread pakora toast in many parts of India and Bangladesh. Don't add too much water. The batter should be thick to hold on to the bread. Now heat oil on medium flame. Place the bread slices and fry them for 5 to 6 minutes on medium heat. Keep heat on medium. Too high will burn the onions, too low will make it soggy. Fry until they are golden and crispy. Serve hot and enjoy. This recipe is inspired by street-style onion pakoras but served on toast. What do you usually make with leftover bread? Would you like a cheese version of this toast? Which other veggies would you add to this batter? Let us know in the comments if you would try this for breakfast or tea time. Thanks for joining us at Oven Cake and Cookies. This bread onion toast is easy, quick and full of flavor. Just the kind of recipe we love to share. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more creative snack ideas. See you in the next video.